Welcome to Med Elixir. Knowledge and thoughts are to be shared. Quick revision series. Mind rubrics of Kent Repertory continues for AIPGT, PSC, UPSC, and other homeopathy competitive examinations. Quick revision series Repertory. Important rubrics in Mind chapter of Kent Repertory continues. Eccentricity means departure from the traditional behavior, and the single medicine for eccentricity in Kent's repertory is Veratre album. Fanaticism. Unreasonable, wild and extravagant notion on one subject, either politics or religion. Fastidious means industrious. The two medicines under this rubric are salve and nux vomica. Flattery desires. The single medicine is palladium. Fire wants to set things on. The single medicine is Hepar sulf. Fur wraps up in summer. Hyoscyamus. Hypocrisy. The single medicine is phosphorus. The meaning of hypocrisy means pretending principles, posing many principles but not following in life. Hypocrisy. The single medicine is phosphorus. Inciting others. The single medicine is Hyoscyamus. Mania a potu means delirium tremens, alcohol withdrawal syndrome. Misanthropy, hatred from whole mankind. Mutilating his body. The single medicine is Arsenica album. New object seen. The single medicine is Helleborus. Precocity. The single medicine is Mercurius. Questions. Speak continually in Aurum Metallicum. Refuses to take medicine. The single medicine is Hyoscyamus. Refuses to eat is also a rubric in Mind chapter of Kent Repertory. I repeat, refuse to take medicine. The single medicine is Hyoscyamus. Refuses to eat is also a rubric in Mind chapter of Kent Repertory. Reverings means daydreams. Riding in a carriage, aversion to. The single medicine is Sorinum. I repeat, don't get confused. This is a rubric in Mind chapter of Kent Repertory. Riding in a carriage, aversion to, and the single medicine is Sorinum. Sadness, itching from. The single medicine is Sorinum. We will continue with the quick revision series of repertory mind rubrics in our upcoming videos. Please do like, share and subscribe our videos. Thank you for watching.